Hey guys, MrWaheedulHaque here, back with another video. Today I'm going to be showing you in your Mercedes how to change your interior colour light. Who's busted alarms now? Thank you very much. Okay, so now you want to go to home, so you press home in the corner. We're on home already, but I'm showing you from the start. Or you can press here on the steering wheel, the home button. Okay, and then you want to go to comfort, and then you got the colours there. So right now it's a multicoloured one. As you can see, it keeps changing colour. I don't want that. Actually, let's see what this is. Ocean blue. Monochrome. Oh, yeah, yeah. Oh, now it's gone bright. Look, do you see that? Hey, it was bright for like a second, bro. What the fuck? I think them colors are more brighter, like the purples. Yeah, that blue is well bright. Can you see? Some colors on this is not bright. Look at it. Oh, I love that color one. Yeah, look. Can you see it's gone dim now? Yeah, them darker ones are very dark. Like this is very dim. Can you see? Weird, man. Yeah, I think I'm gonna keep it that blue purple to get it that brightness color. Come on, there, full blue. Oh, that is nice, isn't it? Should keep it like this. That looks alright, isn't it? Oh yeah, that's how you change it. You can do multiple colors. We're gonna use one color. Oh yeah, there is the multicolor option. So all it does is, you can see on there your purple bits on the vents. This will be a different color, pink. As you can see, the door handles will be pink. So yeah, we're gonna go back to monochrome, get that nice blue, powerful blue. Let me close the window. Does it make any brighter? Not really, but it's still nice. Can't complain. It looks really nice. Yeah, there isn't any LEDs in the back though. That's the only thing. Turn that bloody light off. Okay, there is no LEDs in the back. That's the only bad thing. But yeah, the front is very beautiful.